fabulous collection put together by some fabulous young designers. Make some noise for Nikat Sultana, Kausar Jabin, Sakina Vora and Tasneem Abbas. Congratulations, ladies, absolutely congratulations. Please, I'm sure you've got so much to tell us about what went into making this collection.
Good evening, everyone. We have inspired this collection with the crochet blankets, which is one of the traditional quilting of Afghanistan. We have taken the quilting technique by which we have created this collection by using traditional ethnic work with crochet laces. And thank you everyone, like especially our mentors, Azra ma'am, Aparna ma'am, and especially Nita Lula ma'am, who have guided us so much. And most important, we are very glad to get this opportunity for this show. Thank you, Ajita ma'am.
Thank you production team as well for supporting us in making this.
The production team who have helped us so much.
Thank you so much, Michael sir, Rajesh sir, Shiva sir. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you.
Did you guys do anything or did everyone else? No.